Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.
Have you heard of the Dalai Lama? Yay, see some hands. So this next artist has performed with both of them, collaborated with both Nas and the Dalai Lama. I don't know how many people can say they've done that. Welcome to the stage, Dwaki.
Hello everyone.
Okay, first though, I want to say, well, how about his shirt, huh? Number 30, Steph Curry.
Give it up, give it up.
Yeah, thank you.
I know your mom is
All right, so we're going to have him perform one song first, and then we'll come back and talk more.
Okay.
All right, one more time, Dwaki.
Okay, so the first song.
Okay,
copy.
The
first song is called Taiwan Song, which means Taiwan fantastic. So when I say 这是什么歌 you say Taiwan Song. When I say 对熊 song, you say Taiwan Song. Okay? Okay? 这是什么歌？台湾 song， 对熊 song。台湾 song， 这是什么歌？台湾 song， 对熊 song。台湾 song， 美丽的宝岛，我牵着天堂。这条歌想要看到了，我啥？台湾之声，想做背个跳袂清楚哈。我是大弟，台湾的囝，阿弟也爱台湾的囡仔，是拢走去倒位啊？我不是要增加国民文化，我不是啥物人，我敢若是个台湾人。讲啥？要讲啥？要问讲你是倒位人？但对台湾的爱会出代差。你若感觉有淡薄怀疑，我即摆就是咧讲你，家己就要欺负家己，简单单来甲咱欺负，就已经结束。你想要赢还是输？赢输只要无差不多，你才是正港台湾人的气啦。厝边头尾，食饱阿妹，即马大声发出台湾之声，这是啥物歌？台湾颂，你倒位上爽？台湾颂。这是台湾米，你是台湾水，你是台湾人，你是台湾鬼，这是啥物歌？台湾颂，你倒位上爽？台湾颂。台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，拢伫台湾之声。你敢有感觉到我对台湾的爱？你若不是台湾人，你就袂了解。你讲这块土地的人就是台湾人。若要我参加，我就使请你上。这块土地土地愈来愈老，就会一点往外靠落去像台山。咱袂当下拖叫你哈，敢无人？咱袂当下拖叫你哈，敢无人？就像300万人，大家人家一相比，四个全部我，那就像300万兄弟，社会破壁就行好，后头国家全部做国家。所以当年来讲，我有偌好的时阵，要付出一寡最宝宝的时分，对台湾人的爱，台湾家家比比准，100%台湾之声，做伙看这是啥物歌？台湾颂，对上爽，台湾颂，这是台湾米，你是台湾水，你是台湾人，我是台湾鬼，这是啥物歌？台湾颂，对上爽，台湾颂。台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，拢伫台湾之声，这是啥物歌？台湾颂，你对上爽，台湾颂，这是台湾米，你是台湾水，你是台湾人，我是台湾鬼，这是啥物歌？台湾颂，我听无恁的声，台湾颂，台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，台湾人的爱，拢伫台湾之声，美丽的宝岛。可见的天堂，美丽的宝岛，可见的天堂。谢谢 ，Thank you。
So he went underneath the wheel shark.
Awesome. How amazing was that?
Because I didn't know, I can't control myself. I mean, they don't.
How amazing was that? I mean, this is a pioneer on stage we have. We're really, really lucky to have Dwaki with us here today. I wanted to just sort of jump into a little bit about him and his background. First, I mentioned that you collaborated with both Nas and the Dalai Lama.
Yes.
How did you make that happen, and how was that? And we'll translate after.
Yeah, it was like that far from.
I can do it in English.
All right.
Better.
I
try. Okay, so about the Dalai Lama.
And I practice every day in a pool for 2 weeks.
I was
And then
writing.
to
I was
one
writing a
life
lot
vest
of
in
something
ocean, then to no life vest in the ocean.
supporting
Now I
human
do
rights and
like
freedom. So I was
yeah, in 1
writing the
month's
song
time.
people.
That's all I do.
I was thinking if I can. I was thinking if I can find someone with the most positive influence to the world. This song would be much more meaningful. So the first thought come to me was the Dalai Lama. And because I had written a lot of songs supporting human rights and freedom, and I also have performed at the Free Tibet event, so there has always been a good interaction between the Dalai Lama Foundation and me. So I was talking about this idea, and initially my hope wasn't high, but their response was if the song was positive and was meant for the good to the world, then the Dalai Lama would probably agree. So it took more than a year to get everything settled. So I met him in India and we made the song and the video together. So that was amazing. And about Nas, Nas was my idol growing up. And in the beginning, of course, it was impossible to me too, but after collaborating with the Dalai Lama, nothing was impossible. So I asked my friend who worked at the Universal New York to introduce my music to him, which got Nas' attention. And we made the song in New York too. Yeah,
Congratulations, it's amazing. You know, if you have a chance, not right now, of course, he's going to continue performing, but when you get the chance after, you should look it up. Thwacki, you can listen to People and Refuse to Listen. That's the one he collaborated with Nas on, and the video is very powerful, and the messages are very powerful. So again, we're very lucky to have you. And I wanted to ask you, actually, what are you hoping to do? Some people, you know, they get up, they're a celebrity. You were the first to ever release a rap album in Taiwan. I mean, amazing, a pioneer. What are you hoping to do with your music?
I try to bring message to my audience because I talk about lot more serious issues in our society. I talk about stray animals, and I talk about like social justice. Yeah, I talk about respect for the living, so that's why I try to bring it to my audience, to my fans. I try to make this world a better place. Yes, that's what I want to do. Yes.
Make this world a better place. That's
Inspiring.
very inspiring. And then before we let you go on and perform, I don't know if Eric, you have a question, but one I had also was, what inspired you then? So you listened to Nas, he was someone you really looked up to growing up. What made you though decide, okay, there's really none of this music in Taiwan right now. It's pretty scary. I don't know how people are going to receive it, how they're going to react to it. What drove you to do it anyway? What were you hoping for? And since that time, in the years since that time, how has Taiwan and hip-hop changed?
I think, yeah, because my audience in Taiwan, they also listen to a lot of Japanese and Korean and American hip hop, but they have rarely heard anything like mine because,
well, first of all, I'm from Virginia.
like, I'm not like that mainstream, so they think it's pretty unique. So they try to, like those young people, those young rappers in Taiwan, try to like bring message to hip hop thing now. Yeah, so great change.
Yep. Yeah. People might not difference between the two languages. He actually sings and raps not only in Mandarin but also in Taiwanese, which is really unique.
Yeah.
Thank
you.
All right, one more time. We're going to let Thwacki continue.
Okay.
Let's hear it for him one more time, guys.
Oh yeah. 刚才这条歌 The most classic Taiwanese song, 黄昏的故乡. Within this song, there are three things I need you to do. Three things. The first, scream. The second, scream. And the third, scream. 台湾之光 ，Let's go. 已经 好久不曾感动，好久不曾有冲动，好久没眼眶泛红，好久没做梦，像个冷血动物，对现况疲惫，不在乎身边发生的一切，也放弃想改变身边的。但突然间，我们不再以往，双手合十，好像有了信仰，紧握的拳头感觉到了力量，热血充满着心脏，瞳孔变得像小孩一样，人血动物热泪盈眶。那是城市心脏，运踢下地底面积，还是苏利文森一次倒下后站起来？是曾雅妮将世界第一拿下，是林奕杰穿越北极横跨撒哈拉，是王建民拿下19胜的那一步，是郭宏志开4次到后还撞破纪录，是萧清扬李安林欢明写下的历史。让我们再为他们尖叫一次 ！What's the first beat？ 叫我，叫我认真打拼，这个苦命。咱两个全世界听见台湾的声，还有太多台湾之光默默存在。他们是企业家，四处买地，什么都不干，只为维持生态。是学生为了救流让我错过了期末考试，是3加10抱着小朋友的幼稚园老师。我们不记得这群伟大的人的名字，但他们正在做很伟大的事。他们绝对是台湾之光，他们不紧张，台湾照亮他们，还温暖着我们心房。所以，如果我实行道父，我会给你最干净的城市。我是老师，就会把我的梦想交给你。我很北才，那我就要学成数据阿姨。我是歌手，就让小朋友说我长要当短弟。哈，这些清道夫老师才会是台湾人的偶像，他们正在为台湾打乌托邦。所以，不论你在什么岗位之上，骄傲的把头抬高，你就是台湾之光。第二件事是什么？叫我，我认真打拼，这个苦命，咱会让全世界听见台湾的声。最后一件事，对，所以，对。那继续吗？还是还要返回？继续啊！我也要继续。好，接下来所有那个在旧金山的朋友，把手借给我。Put your hands up like this. Put your hands up. 各位台湾的阿公阿妈、大哥大姐，把手借我啊！然后弟弟妹妹 ，OK, drop it. Now come with me, San Francisco. 阿大声，爱的鼓励一起来。我朋友旧年当天车恁去派去无去修理，我讲多差反正资料，定定有烦恼，是生活算买恁去，只是当天恁个下恁去是袂当管，是袂当开，现在我恁去就像迄台车哈爱外慢，咱袂输好心，咱等拢食屎，食饭的时阵咱们嘛应将为啥咱爱食屎嘛应将讲食饭的时阵莫讲嘿，这种日子靠人会靠地，就业中心摆到袂输，买轮胎也唱会，我嘛足久无工会，你若问我好。Are you? I'm fired. Thank you. 我真正想要送互海叫3个字，就是袂当讲的迄3个字。好，这个好个啦，我讲袂调啊，查甫囝，我咧惊啦，卖酒。我唱这哦。嘿，大家人生一家，头壳拢清的，无通过，无饭食。咱甲下人互相鼓励，来，我甲你爱的鼓励。再次。手举起来，大声！好啊，卖个怪政府，慢慢一直怪慢 NQ， 破大朋友，你要忙政府嘛是会使啦，袂歹啊，消费券会当买1包火大干1条来打，咱台湾人呢，咱哪会当实际，咱是上强的，咱上有志气，咱无咧轻视什么第二代，咱要做到真的一代，替你睇嘛袂歹，运气歹。当然是愈滚咱赢，运气歹看嘛是有人感觉。我知影讲着这你愈艺笑，啊别人拢信的，咱拢是衰笑。我有去帮你送啊，你刷落来会袂歹呢？你会使的。旧年你只是犯太岁，所以免烦恼。但一日我听了烧酒，你等一拍都明天就好。无靠
饭吃，
嘿
大家人熟悉是家，大家拢亲的家，无工课，无饭吃。
咱甲下当互相鼓励，来，我甲你爱的鼓励。One more time, everybody. 谢谢 ，Thank you，Thank you。所以接下来就是最后一首歌了。Hello. So this is hello. This is the last song. I gotta teach you some Mandarin, okay? To some foreigners in Union Square. 啊啦，台湾人的家己拢会晓话，咱话互台湾听着好无？
好，
咱话声话互台湾拢听着好无？
好，
好，跟我一起喊，很简单的，我知道我可以，
我知道我可以，
我一定没问题，
我一定没问题，
只要我肯努力，
只要我肯努力，
我就天下无敌。好，换你们了哦，换你们了，赶快不讲了哦。我知道我可以，我一定没问题，只要我肯努力，我就天下无敌。OK，drop it。这首歌叫做《我可以》，本来写给小朋友，今天写给所有的大朋友。等一下，旧金山所有朋友、小朋友、大朋友跟我一起唱好不好 ？Everyone here, scream with me, OK？ 我一定没问题，
没问题，
只要我肯努力，
只要我肯努力，
我就天下无敌。
我就天下无敌。
我知道我可以，我一定没问题，只要我肯努力，我就天下无敌。小朋友，你长大想当什么？乘着梦，想翅膀你可以寄，请飞翔梦想。我小时候连怎样写也不知道，所以你也会像我一样实现，一天总会来到。你会是下一个陈世熙，下一个李昌钰女士，下一个周杰伦也是，下一个我年轻的朋友，你绝对可当最好的那些离你不遥远，一瞬间人人都会有宫殿。出发吧，远途去大好前途，你的一小步也都是你的一大步。小朋友每一步都是阿姆斯壮登上月球，加油，快把乐高叠成摩天大楼。你的梦会像风筝高高飞在天空，你的梦会像大笔画的红色苹果，你的梦坐在起床以后不是梦。小朋友、大朋友，让我们一起说，我知道我可以，
我知道我可以，
我一定没问题，
我一定没问题，
只要我肯努力，
只要我肯努力，
我就天下无敌。
我就天下无敌。
Your turn， 我知道我可以，我一定没问题，只要我肯努力，我就天下无敌。小朋友，你多久没做不了睡不着？爸爸喝醉大，吵到闹，妈妈打牌吃，倒霉在你倒。学校都没有吃，逃避课本怎么像大树一样高？老师叫坏学生滚出去，就好比医院不收你，原因是因为你生病，这哪是教育？打开电视服，闹人大，人们怪力乱神，乌烟瘴气的新闻。小朋友看着我们看着你们。小朋友学习的人不只是模范生，小孩子像张白纸，成长会写上开车的滋味病的人，我们都是。有什么园丁病，有什么花园不是？一起努力撒下希望的种子，让梦想开花，快快长大，好好长大。所有朋友一起唱，我知道我可以，
知道我可以，
我一定没问题，
我一定没问题，
只要我肯努力，
只要我肯努力，
我就天下无敌，
我就天下无敌。
最后一次，咱在台湾听不到咱的声哦，台湾听不到我们的声音哦，话台湾拢听到好不好？我知道我可以，我一定没问题。 只要我肯努力，我就天下无敌。谢谢 ，Thank you， 我第一人类有锻炼，好了。
Thank you， 多谢。
谢谢 ，Thank you。
Anything to say about where you're performing next, or where people can see you?
Okay, search BWAGIE Doggy on Facebook.
There you go. Love Facebook makes it easy. Okay, thank you. One more time for Dwaki, everyone.
Thank you. 谢谢，感謝。谢谢。
Yes. Big fans here. You saw
Yeah,
it.
right.
One more time, if you missed that, go to Facebook and put in DWAGIE Dwaki, and you'll find more about him, links to his music and his songs. And just more of what he's up to, maybe where you can catch him if you visit Taiwan next. So,
welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.